Hey guys, I'm here with my 1954 economy tractor. We're going to take apart take off the engine, take apart the bell housing, and try to repair the throwout bearing fork. So that weld looks a little bit better, but I have a feeling I'm going to have to replace this whole piece because the welds are not going to be that strong to handle the foot pressure on pushing on the clutch. So, I mean, it doesn't look that great on camera, but at least this time I got all the way around and everything's lined up nice and straight. So we'll take a little look at the clutch plate. Let's see what we should do with this. I mean, they all seem pretty good. This one may. Now that one seems good. But there's the clutch plate in there. The thrust bearing pushes right there. This pushes against it, and both feet have to hit it perfectly at the same time. Otherwise, it goes cockeyed and doesn't release the whole clutch plate. So hopefully the weld can handle the pressure. But like I said, I most likely think it won't handle it for long. Now it's time for me to put everything back together and try it out.